Hey guys, it's Scott Adrian. I want to give some helpful tips on what to do when you get into an accident. The first, always, is safety. If you are in a high impact zone, try not to be in the way of more danger after you've already been involved in an accident. Second, get information. There are a few priorities to the information that you need to get. First piece of information to get is the identity of the driver who caused the accident, or all drivers that were involved in the accident are equally important. First, you want to get the driver's license of the person who caused the accident. Second, you want to get the registration of that vehicle because it might be owned by someone else who might be financially responsible depending on how the accident happened. Third, you want to get the insurance information of that person, and you are entitled to all three of those pieces of information from the driver who caused the accident. If they're not willing to give that information over immediately, call the police. No questions asked. After that, very important, and it is very important to do this very quickly, is get witness information. Witnesses are not required to stay at the scene like the other drivers are, so they could leave very quickly. If you've secured at least one of those pieces of information from other drivers, like a driver's license, or a license plate, or a VIN number, or the registration or insurance, I want you to stop, talk to any witnesses, see if they've seen anything that caused the accident, or how the accident happened, or even the immediate aftermath from the accident. Finally, third, and so important, because pictures tell stories, is take a lot of pictures. Take a picture from this angle, from that angle, from the front, from the back, of all the property damage, of all the vehicles that were involved, of all the property that was damaged, curbs, signs, posts, stoplights, and then take a picture of the cars as they're resting, if they're still where they came to a rest after the collision. Take a picture of the cars, do a 360 around each car or motorcycle or truck after they've been moved to a place of safety. And then when it is safe, come back and take more pictures of the scene so that you are able to describe later when we're trying to settle your case, or even in the event of a trial 1, 2, or 3 years later, what exactly you saw, right? So, safety, information, and pictures. Do not be pressured by anyone at the scene. I know it is a vulnerable moment for anyone who has gotten involved in a crash, especially if it's their first crash, and they want to just take the advice of anyone who's there. But please be wary. There are a lot of people that try and take advantage of your vulnerability in those situations. I hope that you can share this information with your friends and family so that they don't get taken advantage of, and then so they're able to get the required information to successfully complete their case. And if you need help, please reach out. We're more than happy to help. With as little or as much information as you were able to get, we're able to go forward with the investigation and figure out what needs to be done. Thanks, guys.